What's up guys, Miguel here with a quick video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a hose connection with a supply line. Basically they have this hose adapter to a faucet supply line, and you basically just twist it on just like a garden hose, and right there you have a garden hose connection to a supply line. I also like to get the garden hose cap so that you can put a cap on it, and then now you have a supply line plug, just in case you're changing a valve or whatever, or you need to change a valve and you're not ready for it yet. You could put this on, cap it off. Let me see, this is a 3/4 hose cap, and then the other one is a 1/2" male to male garden hose adapter to the faucet adapter right there. And then I actually made this one so that I could have them in different sizes. This one's a little bit bigger than the one that I have over here, and pretty much this is what it looks like when it's installed. If I wanted to, say, wash a warehouse floor and I don't have a hose bib, I can actually use this, turn it on over there, then I would have water. That last one is going to actually replace this one. I've been using this one for my paint sprayer, and yeah, that's how you make it. I'll put the Amazon links on the description, but that's pretty much what it looks like right there. Thanks for watching.